A nice camera.
And will that telescope down if you wanted to rest it too?
Yeah. Well, no, it doesn't. But
Oh,
are
so
you
it looks
on
like
now?
a totally
Yeah.
new camera. That's not your other camera.
HD.
It's
You traded it in?
it's a new one.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Well, where's your other one?
My camera is getting charged up.
No, but where was your other camera?
Oh, it's in the thing.
Are you recording?
What do you mean it's
What's
in the
dance?
thing?
Right.
Are you recording?
Speaking of
Yeah.
pole dance,
Oh,
Judy, can you demonstrate what you saw the other night, please? We have poles.
Wow.
Right. And Andre's ready to take photos of your
Yeah.
of
Oh, you're
your
gonna pole dance?
dancing debut, you sexy thing.
Oh, look, it's
You
wi-
just-
you-
I saw
It's
a woman pole
widescreen,
dance.
too.
I went to a strip club
You did?
recently, yeah.
Oh, show us.
I know, right. I don't tell.
Running on one
It's a
leg.
nice toy.
Yeah.
Missing
And the
I
thing
know,
is,
yeah.
weird.
I've seen
right now I
that
have a
too.
wide-angle lens,
There was this one
so that's why I can
time
be this close to
we saw a
them,
whole-
and I get both of them in the shot.
That's pretty wild.
I'm not sure what.
And it looks like it balances it out too. It doesn't sort of
Like-
fisheye it.
Probably
Yeah.
3/4 of them.
Yeah, it's like a 1.5
one leg,
or something
no
like
legs.
that.
They were just hovering.
Does that have a zoom feature too?
And they were moving around and stuff, like we were testing it. We're like, come on, let's see if they have legs. You know, and they were
Whoa.
just on one leg, and then I think.
So your lips are just now it's
Oh, no.
your lips are filling the
I don't know if I
screen.
should be on camera.
I just asked him about zoom and he really zoomed you.
Okay, how
There,
about
now there's Jim.
there's the sexy
Everything between my
All we
feet.
can do is we can see your nose and your mouth.
gym lips.
Yes.
You think your head's gonna
Your lips, your lips, your lips, your lips are so.
Probably want to, get it a little
Juicy,
tan,
juicy.
right, to match your.
I do. Yeah, I'd like to get
Juicy.
some sun. But I was out for a long time this morning without anything.
It must feel amazing, the hot sun beating on your head.
So
Do you get a sunburn on your head?
not yet.
He's got coverage.
I'll put this here on the screen.
I love your bracelet, Andre. It's so pretty.
Me
Especially in
too.
the sun.
Yeah, I just noticed it is more sparkly here. I like it, and
Is that little quartz?
I don't know.
Quartz ball?
You said it was plastic. I don't like you. And it's rare crystal from a cave that the dragons lived in.
From another planet.
That's from the Ming Dynasty.
You take it off.
It looks like some kind
emeralds,
of
right?
natural lichen or
No,
something
it is.
in there.
Yeah, it's not. Are you gonna listen to
The temperature will give it away too. It'll be cooler.
It looks
to
completely
touch.
different out in the sunlight than it did.
It's plastic?
Yeah.
Oh, you're backtracking under pressure. Under the peer pressure.
Yeah,
So that's an SLR.
it was the wine
Change
and those
lenses,
coconut
is that right? Or is
things.
it special lenses for this particular?
It's special.
Your jeweler's
Which
eyepiece.
I have a camera that can do movie, and the nice thing is you can have 50 different lenses. You can interchange.
Mm-hmm.
This one's only a wide angle or a telly, and that's it.
Oh, okay.
Something is inside, but I can tell.
Little Buddhas, maybe.
I can see because I can see.
I had beads from when I got in Korea, and where the intersection is, you look inside this little tiny hole, and there's a Buddha in there.
Really?
You hold it up to the sun, or to a light source. Yep, big Buddha in there.
That something tells me that wasn't quite, 2,000-year-old artifact.
For $2,
Like someone showing you their engagement ring,
which I gave to the guy I stayed with in China, and then he gave me his personal beads that were blessed by his teacher.
Oh my God.
Made out of lotus seeds or something.
Oh yeah.
So you gave him the chintzy thing that he loved.
Yeah, but I didn't intend to be getting his good one. Should probably send it back to him and surprise him.
Nah.
Like the same place
He
where
got
you guys.
paper when he got
That's
back.
right, that's true.
He bought
He
engagement
definitely
rings
played,
and bulk
or
too.
he practiced his impermanence
Oh,
of
this
letting
one
go.
doesn't work out. I
This is now
got like
dancing around
19
her
more
eye.
rings ready to go.
He was brought totally into Western culture.
Oh, she'll
You're
like,
from
at
Kwan.
least you were
He's
nice
living
enough
in
to
a
think it was going to go
cheap
to the same
apartment.
girl.
Oh,
okay.
Mr.
Oh my God,
Han,
this one doesn't work out. I got another.
who's no longer into Kuan Yin.
Kuan Yin is the thing, study thing.
Yeah, I just like engagement parties. I always break it off after the engagement party.
You're just getting married.
That's right, just for the party.
Oh, just for the party? That's a good
Oh,
idea.
we're so happy for you.
Hey, you know what? I'll bring
I just
you
want the ring at the party and then I ditch them.
And then 2 months later, you have another party. You
I know,
engage
right?
the party with someone else.
First grade, boys to
This is the one.
I don't know
man.
why people are, fewer and fewer people are coming to my engagement party.
I found a gluten-free boyfriend. But we do stick together. But Rice
Come
doesn't.
to my 5th engagement party for the year.
I'm engaged in.
Jim, I can't believe the waves were so good. I was
Right, every time you engage.
so bummed about those waves that I missed them.
It's a study ring.
Maybe tomorrow
My clutch is engaged.
they'll be back.
My clutch is engaged and
Yeah.
neutral right now, right?
And you actually did some good body surfing?
What do you call it? A slip ring.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Kind of
You're married, you're not. You're
But then
married, you're
again,
not. In case you don't know something's going to be happening. Right here? Actually, they're remote control planes.
No, they're not, are they?
Yeah, there's 2 kids over there behind you.
no.
Joystick.
Hello.
Hello.